Hi, is anyone sitting here?
No, it's free. Please have a seat.
Thanks. My name's Alex. I'm new here.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emily. I'm also a first-year student.
Really? That's great. Which faculty are you in?
I'm in the Faculty of Social Sciences. What about you?
I'm studying computer engineering.
That sounds interesting. Is this your first day on campus?
Yes, actually. I still get lost sometimes.
Same here. The campus is so big.
Have you had any classes yet?
Yes, I had my first lecture in psychology this morning. It was exciting.
That's nice. My first lecture is tomorrow in programming. I'm a bit nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone is new and nervous at the beginning.
True. By the way, do you already know anyone here?
Not really. I only know a few people from orientation day.
Same here. Maybe we can help each other.
So, what do you usually do in your free time?
I like playing basketball and watching movies. What about you?
I enjoy reading novels and sometimes painting.
That's cool. I've never been good at painting.
Well, I'm not a professional, but it helps me relax.
Maybe one day you can show me your paintings.
Sure, and maybe you can teach me some basketball.
Deal. Yes, I moved into the dorm last week. It's not bad, but it's noisy sometimes.
I can imagine. I'm renting an apartment with a friend. It's quieter, but also more expensive.
That makes sense. At least in the dorm, I can meet many new people.
True. Making friends is important, especially in the first year.
Exactly. University life is not only about studying, but also about experiences.
So, why did you choose computer engineering?
Because I've always been interested in technology. I want to become a software developer. And you?
I chose psychology because I like understanding people and helping them.
That's a great reason. Do you want to become a psychologist?
Yes, maybe a counselor. I want to support students who feel stressed.
That's amazing. I think you'll be great at it.
Thank you, Alex. And I'm sure you'll be a successful engineer.
Let's both work hard and support each other.
Deal.